Hey, I'm Josh. Just going to give you a quick video tutorial on how to use our Simple Church Accounting portal. Start by using the login name and password that we've provided to you. You'll then be given a few options to see. The portal is constantly changing or updating things on a fairly daily basis. Looking to try to add more things to that have been requested either by our clients or that we just know that need to be added there. So right now, kind of the most starting point that we'll use is our bookkeeping for our clients that are Simple Church Accounting. To pay a bill, very simple. You can come in here and initiate the bill pay. You can either pay a client that you've already paid before by choosing them from the selection, or you can select here to add a new payee and give them all the information that we would need to have: name, address, city, state, zip, and the account number. This is your account number with that payee. I will go back to the actual screen and choose Atmos Energy. From a pay down menu, you see it kind of gives you what we have on file for that payee for you. You can then come in here and choose an amount, budget line item that you have for that payee in your budget, and then memo can be something it's not required, but if you want to give us some other instructions on this payment, we'll take that here. Choose to submit payment. It gives you a payment confirmation screen, and then shows you who you chose to pay, what you chose to pay them, and then a button to confirm that payment. And once it's completed, you'll be taken back to the bookkeeping homepage with a prompt that we received your information. You will also receive a confirmation email from us saying that it's been processed into our system and is waiting our bookkeeping experts to take care of it for you. Also, once that has been processed in our books, you will receive an email from them saying that it's been processed and taken care of. Cool option you can see here. This will show you the last 15 days of transactions, and the transaction that we just completed is now showing up here. Also shows you that no, it has not been processed yet. So if it had been, this would obviously say yes. Another option we have is to record a deposit. So if you made a deposit to the bank for your church, we can record that here. Click here to choose what date you made the deposit. And then some of our clients have multiple bank accounts, but this will give you the option to tell us which bank you deposited it to. Then you can add your information. Right now we have the setup for each client based on their designated lines. So this could say building fund, or everybody would have a general tithes and offerings budget. And then they should all equal out to your total deposit amount. So we'll put that information in here and enter the deposit. And if it's been successful, you'll be given this prompt that it has been added. If you do have deposits to more than one bank, you can real quickly just add another, and it'll take you back through the process here. Back to the bookkeeping home, those are kind of the options you have there. A couple tools that are available to you that we just recently added is one, to be able to search transactions. So this is kind of a cool tool where you can go back and see all the transactions that have been made by payee. So I can choose Atmos, and you can see we have the two that are in our database from previously, and then the one I just made today gives you some information on that total transaction, who submitted the transaction. So if you've got multiple users in our portal, it's kind of a good reporting tool to make sure things are getting taken care of within your church. Another option we have is a monthly reconcile, and this will show you by which month. The next version will actually show a year, but it'll show you by month what transactions took place, and you can kind of come in here and see what information we have from you for that month. You can real quickly search another month. So if I go to October, it'll show me the one that I just did. If there is nothing for the month, it'll kind of tell you there is nothing for there, and give you a quick contact information here, so that if you feel that is an error, we want to know that. We want you to get a hold of us quickly. Cool tool we also added recently is an account tool that will give you the information that we have for you, what services you get from us, what users are set up for your account, your details. So who is your account manager, when you started, when your activation date was with us. And then also we have some information for the banks that we have for you, your designated accounts, coming soon, we'll be adding ways to search your transactions and a way to edit your payee and see your payee list. So hope that helps. I look forward to talking with you more about what we can do to partner with your church to make your accounting and bookkeeping and financial management simpler. We feel we really have a cool tool here that really makes the job of financial management for your church very simple. If we can be of service, please contact us at Access Network, 618-283-9542. Thanks very much for watching.